Hey everybody, how's it going? So we're going to be checking out the Milwaukee HackZall, the M18 model, which is the 2719-20. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up the Milwaukee Fuel M18 HackZall, the 2719-20, with the buy more, save more. I ended up getting $150 off. I bought this guy. I bought the M12 version of the new oscillating, the new M12 fuel oscillating tool, and which we'll be doing a video on this guy, as well as I bought the new M18 fuel oscillating tool. We'll be doing a video on this guy as well. I got all three of these two oscillating tools and this HackZall. $500. Got $150 off of that $499. So it's a pretty good deal for me. They're all Bear tools. So this is item 2719-20. It is the one-handed HackZall. The specs are right here. Stroke length is 7/8 strokes per minute. It's 3,000 strokes per minute. Pivot shoe, yes. LED, yes. Length is 14 inches. Weight's 4.07 pounds. So we will pop this guy open. Cut the tape. Just using this fastback. I remember what the model of this guy is because they don't have it stamped on this one, but it's got a metal handle. It's actually a lot smoother than most of the ones that I've bought. I have several of those box cutter style fastbacks. So get the box open. And I'm amazed. The M12 version of this tool I also have, which is the fuel model. And the box is massive compared to the M18 box. So get this guy out. I'm like pretty shocked that it fits in this box, to be honest. But it does. Barely. Box is empty. Nothing else in the box. Throw the box to the side. I have the M12 version. I've always wanted to grab the M18 version. I use the M12 a lot for pruning trees and stuff like that. You got your instruction booklet. You got the this booklet, which also does have, this is the M12 M18 booklet. This looks like one of the newer ones. This also has an entry for 4-tool entry for the contest, as well as you do get your 10-tool entry pamphlets. These are the old style. Previous videos, you know, for the M18 worm drive saw, as well as the whole hog, they have one of these entries also, but the ticket's different. So just keep that in mind. So let's grab the scale here. See how close it is to the weight it says. It says 4 pounds, 1.3 ounces. Says on the box 4 pounds, 4.07 pounds. So 4 pounds, 0.7 ounces, which is, it's pretty close. 4.07 is almost dang near spot on. 4 pounds, 13 ounces. We're just gonna throw a couple size batteries on here, weigh them with the batteries. So this is a 3 amp hour compact. I'm waiting for Milwaukee to come out with the 4 amp hour compacts. Will this tool stand up on its own? Yes, it does. It does stand up on its own. Just pretty nice. It's not completely sitting down, but it is 5 pounds, 6.8 ounces with a 3. I'll probably let you guys know in the comments down below whenever the the 4 amp hour compacts come out. So this is a 6. What is it with a 6? 6 pounds, 7.9 ounces with a 6. You're probably not going to use a 12, but I do have a 12 we can weigh it with. With a 12, or an 8 instead of a 6, it is 6 pounds, 7.8 ounces, so it's looks like it's a little more than the 6 amp hour. 6.8, 7.8. Seems like the 6 pounds, 8 ounces with the 6. Let's try that 8 again. Just 6 pounds, 8 ounces. 6 pounds, 7.8. Yeah, that's probably because I've used this 8 quite a bit, so it's probably lost some of its weight. 12 amp hour. The likely chance you're going to use a 12 on this. It's actually pretty balanced with a 12, though. It actually feels nice in the hand with a 12, if you were to use a 12. 7 pounds, 8.1 ounces. So it's not too bad with a 12. 7 pounds. It's not too bad at all with a 12. It actually feels a lot more balanced with the 12, to be honest. The likely chance you're going to use it with a 12 is unlikely, though. But, you know, unless you want to, it's your choice. With a 3 amp hour compact, it feels really front heavy. Really front heavy. What about with the 8? 8's not as big as a 12. Feels really balanced with an 8 too. The compact batteries is definitely, it's front heavy with a compact battery. With the 12, it's kind of pretty balanced with a 12. Still wants to pull backwards. So, it is very heavy with a 12, though. I'm sure if you have this out in front of you, you're not going to want to hold it like that. If you have it out in front of you, I would say the 3 is probably the best. It does have a nice bright LED. The one thing I wish they would have done on the M12 model is I wish the M12 model had this pivoting shoe. It would have been nice. It's got plenty of power. Does have a trigger lock. But, no, it's pretty nice. I can always add the receipt in if you guys want to see it. I'll add it right here. Alright, so we're back. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the channel. I'm going to be using this because I have a lot more M18 batteries than M12 batteries. Actually, I probably have about the same. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 M18 batteries, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, I actually have more M12 batteries, but I always wanted to grab this guy. I figured why not. This is usually $179. I got this for, I believe it was somewhere in the range of $80, $90 with the $150 off, which was awesome. I did also get the M12 and the M18 fuel oscillating tools on a discount as well because of the buy more, save more. All three of these items are on the in-store buy more, save more board, so that's nice. Everything else that's on the buy more, save more board I already have, other than the 1-inch SDS Plus hammer. The SDS Plus hammer. I can't remember. I'm sure one of you guys is going to correct me. It's the 1-inch SDS Plus style that does chisel, drill and hammer, just hammer, and I believe one other function. But I don't have that one yet. I want to pick one of those up too because I got some concrete that I need to break up for fence posts to repair the section of my fence that got hit. My front of my yard is chain link and somebody hit 2 of the poles and snapped the poles, and you know, gotta chisel out that concrete that's holding those poles in so I can get some new poles in with some new concrete. But you know, I'll pick that up eventually. I have till May. You have till May to do the buy more, save more. So you started in February, you have till May, so it's not bad. But I just wanted to show you guys. I'll definitely be doing more videos on this when I have a lot more time to use it. This is just my first impressions. I do believe it feels a lot better with the 12. It's way more balanced with the 12. The 12 amp hour, the weight on the back counterbalances how heavy it is in the front, so it kind of stays even. But the 12 makes it 7 pounds, so you're not going to want to be using this one-handed all the time with a 12. The 8 is pretty well balanced, but you can tell that it's about a pound less, so it's still kind of front heavy with an 8. It's extremely front heavy with a 3, but I think it will do an amazing job. I do like the new style. This is the old style where you actually have to reach in and twist it. I do like the new style on the new full-size Recips that they came out with. They actually have a plastic lever or metal lever here. I'm not really sure if it's plastic or metal. I don't know. I don't have one. But I wish they would attach that lever on the outside, as well as the stainless feature that they put. They put stainless guts in here on the new regular Recip. I hope that they come out with those options on the Super Sawzall, which would be nice, instead of just the regular Sawzall getting those features, because I prefer the Super Sawzall with the orbital function and the dial, the speed dial and everything. I prefer those features. I'm one of those guys that I'd rather have more features, not need them, than have less features and need them. So maybe, hopefully, Milwaukee will be coming out with the Super Sawzall with the new stainless features for rust prevention, as well as the side release on the side of the handle, as well as bringing back the orbital and the speed control. Because the Super Sawzall, you can control the speed with the trigger, with the variable speed trigger, as well as the speed on the dial. So you could put it at like setting 2, and then you feather the speed from there, which is nice. But this will get used. I'll probably using it to cut down, limbs for the fire pit. I have a lot of limbs that I have ready to be cut to be thrown in the fire pit, which I use and I turn into compost for my wife's garden. But just quick video, didn't want to make it too long. I do appreciate your guys sticking around, checking out the video. Let me know if you like this, if you have it. If you have the M12 as well, let me know what you think of between the two. I like the M12 on weight, but this one is a little bit bigger, a little more stout. I've heard a lot of good things about this one, so I grabbed one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Top of the description below. I also do have an Ulsa Tools link if you guys want to check them out. Check out their tools, their toolbox organization, hand tools, torque wrenches, stuff like that. If you find something you need, check out and use the link. It'll get you 10% off your order, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order with them. So it's a win-win for both of us. If you don't need it, no big deal. If you do use it, I do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!